Hi, in this tutorial I want to show you how to manage the users on the MotionCloud. When you first sign up for the MotionCloud, there will be one administrative user which can manage the rest of the users inside the company. So let's see how to do that. You can go to Xsens motion.cloud, log in, and then go to user management. So in this overview I can see my users. I can see if they're active. I can edit and delete users, and in the top here I can add new users. So let's add a new user. First I will add an email address, so a name, a last name, and subsequently I can select which permissions this user has. So I can, for example, add HTTP processing, certain reports. This is all based on which subscriptions you have available. So let's just click this one. You can add multiple if available. But now we just select HTTP processing, and then I can save this user. I already have this user, so I will for now just cancel it. It will be the same as if I, for example, already get this user and then edit it. I will get the same overview. An additional thing you can do with already active users is you can set them to inactive. Basically this saves all the settings you have for this user, and you can activate it later again. In contrary to deleting a user, which you have to fully enter again if you want to register the user again. So just enabling or disabling it will be a quicker way to do that. And this is how you manage your users within the company. Hope this is clear, and thank you all for watching.